Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology. In my lecture video, I am going to explain about multiplexer and demultiplexer concept, which is used in the digital computing system. Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss about what is a multiplexer. So, what is meant by a multiplexer? Anyone know about what is a multiplexer? So, multiplexer is nothing but which is used inside a digital signal processing. Nothing but we have a lot of input lines in multiple multiplexers. That input lines can be have different types of signal. It may be the signals may be the quality of high or low. Based on the quality of the signal, we can select any one of the output line. In multiplexer, the concept is we have n number of input lines. Here these are the input lines. I denoted input line in the form of I0, I1 and In. It denotes we have n number of input signals. Okay. And only one signal line. That signal line having either a low or high voltage. Okay. If we have a signal line S0, it is mentioned as a single line. The value of signal is low. That multiplexer can choose a different output lines. So in multiplexer, it is the meaning we have n number of input lines. Based on the signal value, we have to prefer one output line. This is the concept of multiplexer. Okay. We have applied a truth table for multiplexer. In truth table, we have 4 columns. The first column is nothing but S is nothing but a signal value, and I0 and I1, these are all the input signals, and Y it is an output signal. So in this table we have 4 entries. S is nothing but it's a signal. Input 1 and I0 and I1 is nothing but input lines, 2 input lines and only 1 output. So in multiplexer we have a number of input lines but only a 1 output line. Okay. If the value of S is 0, that means signal is 0, 1 0 and 1 1. These are all the combination we are going to supply input for the digital processor. If both values are 0, that particular input line will takes the value from I0. If the signal is high, that is the value of signal is 1. 1 represents it as a high voltage. So we can choose the input signal from I1. If the signal level is 0, we have to select the input from the I0. If it is 1, we have to select from the input signal I1. Okay. But in Y it is only one output line. During this time of transaction, either one kind of output line can be generated. That is mentioned by the Y. It is nothing but it is an output line. In multiplexer, what is the advantage here is we have a lot of resources. By applying multiplexer inside a digital computing system, we have a lot of advantages. First one is it reduces resource utilization. Because in order to process this signal, we are going to prefer only one output line. So it includes the resource utilization. That is, there is no collision occurred in between the signal lines. That is the first advantage. And second one is by using this multiplexer concept inside digital signal computing, we have no redundancy among the data. Redundancy means repetitiveness. So in this we have advantages over this multiplexer. By compared with demultiplexer, it is vice versa. That is, in